Hi everybody and welcome. It's Liz from Zinniberry Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you the June plan and journal for June 2022 and the corresponding stickers and the color palette for June. So welcome. I have a little Etsy store and I'm going to leave that link below. This is the cover of the June planner, and I create monthly hyperlink dated planners. I'm keeping it simple. I like to be in charge of what my tabs are going to be, and I like to do it 1 month at a time because what I wanted in January is not necessarily what I want for June. So I like to be able to customize my planner to what I need for that month. And when I look at an entire year, it kind of overwhelms me. So you're going to see a monthly plan and journal. All right, let's get started. So this is the cover, and with all of my planners, when you click on the left-hand side, or in this case, on the planner, it will open up your planner to your very first calendar page. There are 3 calendar pages for you. The first one, number 2, and number 3. And I like to use my very first calendar for an overview page of the month, and I've put a couple of things in there already that I know, but we're a month away from June, so I don't know everything that's going to be needed to be put in here just yet. I also use my other 2 calendars for things like trackers. So I like to track my fitness, my gratitudes, my accomplishments, my menus. If you're a busier family, you might want to track your page, your children's page, your spouse's page. Just whatever you need, it is at your fingertips for you to decide how to use it. So I am going to show you June's tabs. There are 7 tabs. They are the same as May. So if you haven't seen that video, go take a look at that one. Just the colors and the design has changed for June. But I'm going to use my 7 month at a glance tabs like this. I'm going to use it as a brain dump. And it is blank right now, and I will fill it in. And basically what I think I'm going to do is just take May. If I go to open May and go to my brain dump, I'm just going to lasso what I have here. This is a May sticker, so I probably won't take that in with me to June, but it's simply just some lines and some text I wrote here. I'll lasso that, copy and paste it into my June brain dump. Same with all of the other tabs at the top. So I've got a goals page, a tracker page, reflections, Etsy, menu, and idea page. Now you can choose what you want your 7 tabs, your month at a glance to be. And I love that idea because when I look at June, I know that I probably won't do a menus tab for July and August. I probably won't do a ideas page for July and August. It may change, it may be something else, and I have the ability to change what I want my tabs to be and what I want this blank canvas to be. And some people really love their month at a glance finances, so you could put a financial insert in here. I don't actually have those in my store yet. I'll be working on those. You could put a grocery list in here, whatever you want at your fingertips for the month. It is really customizable to your needs. Now, don't feel like you have to have every single tab labeled and used. If 1 month is you have to keep track of a lot of things, use those tabs. If the next month you don't worry about it. Just be okay with having some blank pages and not using them. The planner is low megabytes, and it's okay just to have some blank pages and not worry about it. Maybe you only need 5 tabs, just use 5 tabs. It's really up to you. So we're just gonna go back to the month, and I am going to show you, we do have, again, everything is hyperlinked, the weeks, the days, and we have 2 journals because I love journaling. There's a spot here to write down what your journal is going to be called, and there are 32 days in your journal, basically 1 per day depending on how long your month is, with a couple of extra pages for you, and they're all hyperlinked. So you can go to that first page, do what you need to in there, and go back to your journal, any page you want to. It's just super fast. Your second journal is highlighted here, and you can go to any page in your second journal. You know that you're on your second journal because it is darkened. And I really, really love that. We're going to go back to the cover because I want to show you a couple of things. When you tap on the right-hand side, it takes you to your last page. And I have put in some built-in stickers to let me know that this is my last page. Excuse me. My last page is usually where I scribble things down very quickly and then later on put them where they belong or erase the page and start over. I like to have a page that's blank to be able to do that. Now, the other reason I put a last page on here with a sticker is because I thought maybe that I would add August after July after August and so forth and so on. But as I've been working in Note Shelf, I recognize that I really didn't have to do that because Note Shelf has a pull-out menu on the left-hand side. Let me just see if this will work for me. There it is. And I can pin all of my months, January, February, and my sticker sheets that I am using and go between those months very, very quickly. So I don't think I really need to put the PDF after each other, January, February, March, April, all the way to December, because I'm going to use this system for Note Shelf. But if you are in GoodNotes, you might want to give that a try. Okay, so now I am going to show you back to the cover. There is also another link here for you that is on this photo. And when you tap it, it does take you to another blank page. And in the May video, I kind of showed you what I wanted to use this blank page for. But you have so much. You have so many pages to work with, to use for your needs. And if you don't use this extra page, don't worry about it. It's there for you. And hopefully you will find a way to use it. All right. So now that we have gone through that, you've got a little sticky note here that you can write a little note to yourself if you need to. And I really, really wanted to, I know that we have got summer starting in June, and where we are now, we've had a lot of snow and rain, clouds, not a lot of sunshine. So I really wanted to work on this planner and have some sunshine in my life. And let's get started. So this is the Summer Plans Planner and Journal. And it's a good time in June to do your plans for summer. Where are you going to travel? All of those things. And I will be working on a travel insert for June. It's a really busy time of year for me right now with school. So I will do my best to get that going. So let's open this up. And I am going to now show you the stickers and how I have created my weekly and my daily. So we're just going to let's go to week 1. So here is some of my stickers. The color palette is, I will reveal to you right away, but you can kind of see what it is for June. And this will be my weekly layout if I choose to go weekly for June. Now just to backtrack, when I look back at my planner starting with January, I preferred the weekly layout where I put everything in, my journaling, anything I needed to remember, little pictures, snapshots, things I needed to do. I did a weekly view for January. February, I did a daily plan and journal. I did not do anything weekly. I was okay with leaving my 5 weekly pages blank. Now, if you need more pages, you can actually screenshot the white part and copy and paste and cover it over your weekly page and use it for something else if you want to. There are so many things that you can do with these pages. So February and March were done daily pages, and April, which we just finished, I did not do weekly or daily. I just used my monthly and wrote everything down in my monthly squares. And I just like to do whatever moves me for that month. And I think for June, I'm going to go back to daily, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Here we go. So here's my daily layout for June. And when I like something, when I've put my layout together and I know that it's going to work for me, I will just lasso the whole page, copy and paste it onto the next page. And I'll do that throughout the whole month until I get bored with this design and I want to redo it. But I think I really like this design, so I'm going to keep this. I'm going to do daily for June. And today's the 1st of May, and I decided for May that I'm going to do a weekly. And I am definitely okay with not doing daily for May and just leaving those pages blank for May. Okay, so now you can see a couple of the stickers that I have. Here are my functional stickers, and how I kind of set up this page is this grayed out area and this transparent orange area or burnt orange area is background stickers that I've used. These are my new trackers that I have included, and I really like them because they're just nicely lined up and crisp and clean looking, and you can just color in your hydration. You can use your highlighter tool to tap on whatever words express your feelings for that day, color in your weather. And this little section is really cute. So this is a movable sticker here. And doesn't it finish off this little gratitude section? I really like that a lot. And how I created this is the text, the Daily Gratitude's top 3 meal plan are also included in the sticker pack. This is a background that I just cut down and put in the space with a highlighter dots so that I can just write down my gratitude. Same idea here with lines. And what else do we have? The verse of the day, some other stickers. This background here is a text box that I just used to put as a background for my workout functional sticker, my plans, things that I'm going to write down here. Another sticker, this is my happy place. Beach is my happy place. So I wanted to start off the June with that, and I really like this sticker. It's called Let the Summer Fun Begin. And this little book sticker I created in a video, I don't know, couple of videos ago or one video ago, where I showed you how to create stickers in Keynote. So go take a look at that video. It is so much fun and rewarding to be able to create your own stickers. And so my intent is to read every day and then just write down, you know, how many chapters I read or how many pages I've read and give it a star or no stars or whatever. I don't know. I'll know when I get to June, but that's kind of my intent for that. And the vitamins is just a text, and I just drew, using the pen tool, a little checkbox so that I can check off if I've taken my vitamins. So I think this is going to work for me for June, and I hope it gives you some ideas for you to set up your pages. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I put my color palette into my toolbars. So I have my pen tool, my highlighter, and my text tool. So we are going to just go into the pen tool. And right now, it's May 1st. So right now I have my Mother's Day color palette in there. And you can watch that video to show what the name of that color palette is. But I am going to upload my June color palette. So with Note Shelf, it's really easy just to press the plus button. And it takes you to this page. It's powered by Color Lovers. So I've created my color palette and uploaded it to Color Lovers, and it's very easy for you to just search my palette, and with one click of a button, all those colors are already into your pen tool. So the June color palette is called Sunshiny Beach, and when you press search, there are 2 of them. Mine is the second one. It's by Zunia, Sunshiny Beach by Zunia. You click on the checkbox, and it instantly, now you can see, instantly loads up those colors for your pen tool. And that is just so much fun. You can do the same thing with your highlighter tool and your text toolbox as well. Now I am going to actually leave Note Shelf, and we're going to go into GoodNotes so that I can show you the sticker book that I created for June. And a bonus is for this month because there's been many requests to have a GoodNotes sticker sheet. So I have finally done that for everybody who uses GoodNotes. So in fact, I've done the typical PNG files for you. I've also included a .note shelf sticker book and a .goodnotes sticker book and an elements sticker file for you. And I'll show you that in just a moment. So we're just going to move out of Note Shelf and go right into GoodNotes. Okay, so just as an example, here is the Note Shelf version of the June 2022 Plan and Journal. And if you are the GoodNotes version, if you're a GoodNotes user and you're working on a 4:3 ratio iPad, like this is the 12.9, you're going to choose the GoodNotes version in the store. If you are on the 12.9 and you work in Note Shelf, choose the Note Shelf / Notability version in the store. Now you can use this across any iPads, any app, note-taking apps, but there may be some spaces because Apple does not come out with 4:3 ratios for every single iPad there is. So it will work perfectly in every iPad and note-taking app, but you may have some spaces along the edges. So I really love when my planner fits the whole screen. I prefer that. Now we're going to go to the June sticker set right here. That is included with the sticker purchase. And there are 5 tabs here that are clickable and they will take you to whatever you need to at your fingertips. Now, I mostly work in Note Shelf, so sometimes I forget that I have to click on and off to be able to toggle to where I want to go. So forgive me if I get hung up on that. Here is the color palette for you in the hex code. So in GoodNotes, you're going to have to, type those in one at a time. Okay, I'm going to just toggle this off because I know I have to go between those. This is the decorative sticker set for June. There are some summer stickers and there are some Father's Day stickers right here. So I will just kind of increase that so that you can see. I really like this one where you can write a little bit about your father and put a picture in here to have a memory. Another little flag sticker, my hero, a picture frame sticker. So I'm going to actually leave this and show you how to put a picture in this round picture frame. I'm going to use this one here that says beautiful. And how I'm going to do this is go into Keynote and show you how to make a round photo. Now, in another video, I did show you one way of doing how to make a round photo. That's for May, for Mother's Day. And I can show you just another way of doing it. So if you've ever worked in Photoshop, you know that there are a lot of roads to get to the final product. And so the same thing goes with Keynote. And there are a couple of ways that you can do it. Now, the first way that I showed you is static. You can't move the picture around. It just sort of places it into that circle. This way you can move it around and position it exactly where you want it to be. All right, let me just figure out what I need to do here. We're going to lasso that, copy, and let's go into Keynote. And then we're just going to paste that in here. So here is our picture frame. It's transparent and we want to put a photo back here. I'm just going to pick up a photo that I have of a lovely sunset. There it is. And obviously it isn't the right shape. So what you do is you're going to press your plus button and the circle and square icon right here and press on the circle. Now before you start enlarging the circle, make sure that you press arrange and constrain your proportions. Otherwise, it's going to turn into an oval. So you're going to enlarge your circle to wherever you kind of want to put it on that picture. You're going to select the circle, select objects and the picture, press done, and move over one, and it says mask with shape. So you're going to mask. That picture is going to be in that circle shape. And now you have the ability to move that picture around when you are in. I'm going to just move this over. You have the ability to move that picture around if you'd like to. So we just have to go to image, edit the mask, and now we can move the picture around and position it in that circle however we like it to be. So that looks good to me. I'm going to press done. And now I'm just going to take that circle and arrange it to the back and put on my picture frame on top. It's very easy to adjust this to make it as big or as small as you need to. And that looks perfect to me. And now that you are done, actually I do want to fill it in all the way over here. So we are going to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. So now I can select my objects and press done. And I'm going to copy them and move them now to GoodNotes. Let's see if I can find a spot to put those in. Again, I have to remember to take that off and paste. And there you go. You've got your sticker, your photo, all ready to go and place wherever you want to. So I hope that tutorial, little mini tutorial helps with that sticker. Okay, so just to increase the size so you know what is in the pack, there are several summer ones that are really cute. Fun in the sun, my summer is booked, ice cream, hello summer, flip-flops, beach is calling, cheers. There is also some Father's Day ones here. And let the adventure begin. Happy Father's Day. And we are going to move on to the functional stickers, which I really like this time around. I like my color palette. Those are the two items that I showed you, stickers showed you previously, a note shelf. We have a weather functional sticker, my feelings, a weekly sleep tracker that starts on Sunday and Monday, a hydration sticker, blank stickers in the entire color palette right here, and then a Sunday start blank tracker and a Monday start blank tracker. Here is a monthly tracker that you can put on your tracker page in 4 of the colors in the white. So it's a Sunday start, just a traditional month. You can track, you can write down what you're tracking, put a little sticker here, and then you can just use your highlighter tool and circle to tap on whatever you are tracking for that month, June 2022. There are some speech bubbles. These ones are really cute because they are, the letters, let me see, are transparent. So this one says so cute. So if I put it on, you can see right through it. My plans, today's news. And then there are some speech bubbles right here that are, you can use and put your own font on here. Picture frames and sticky notes for you. I love sticky notes, so I always include those. Now we can move on to backgrounds. The backgrounds come in solids and transparent. So solid and transparent half circles and rectangles. And the text boxes are a paint stroke for June, which I really like. And of course in Keynotes you can squish them. Sorry, apologize. I need to figure out how to use GoodNotes, edit, and yes, you can squish them, make them elongated, really big, whatever you want in GoodNotes, just like that. There is also these circular backgrounds as well that are really nice to layer stickers on top of. And we are going to move on to words. So here are all of the words for June that I have and that I typically use all the time. And you can create that daily page that you just saw in Note Shelf by just taking these words, some of these backgrounds, a couple of stickers, and you have your daily page. And I've included lines, solid lines, and dotted lines, and they are just like, it looks like it's one sheet of paper, but you can cut this, obviously make it 3 lines if you want to, make it tiny, make it bigger, whatever you want to. You have that ability in Note Shelf and in GoodNotes to do that with the lines. And that is it, I believe, for this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.